So I am going to edit. It's currently almost 11 o'clock. I woke up at like 9 and then I got up and got ready. I need to finish editing. We'll be back. What are you eating? You put chocolate in it?
Yeah,
Look at that.
chocolate honey nut Cheerios.
Yeah, life hack. If you want chocolate honey nut Cheerios.
I was gonna do it because he's on a diet.
Did you eat candy?
No.
Really?
I thought about it and I put it back.
Liar.
I did.
I can't see you.
Those Snickers that was in the bag right here, I took those out and put it in the bag and I was about to eat them before I put them, but I did.
Oh, snap. Alvin, is he lying?
Yeah.
Alvin, is he lying?
I was like, yeah, that dude didn't give me any.
You're not allowed to have chocolate, okay, baby?
It's up to you, huh?
Bake some cookies. Why are you over there? Why are you in my room? What'd you do? Ew.
What happened?
Cheese got on me.
Oh, someone made a mess, huh? Better not step on the one that fell on the floor.
Oh, it fell on the floor too.
There's some on the floor down there. Fell on your shirt.
There's none on the floor.
I saw it fall before it fell on your shirt.
It didn't fall on the floor though.
You already stepped on it then.
No, it didn't. There's nothing there.
Oh, alright.
Giselle's finally home.
Yeah. What?
We're gonna bake some cookies later.
Today?
Yeah.
Yay!
But you have to read and finish your sandwich, and then we can teach you how to play games too.
Which book should I read?
So right now, we're gonna go grocery shopping, and let's go. I am going to leave my camera here, so I'm gonna vlog on my phone. I'll see you guys when we get there. Time to go to Fry's. Are you excited? Why are you wearing your inside sandals?
That's what I asked.
No, these are my backyard sandals.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'll
I
hold
don't
it.
slide around ever.
Okay. I got this. I did it! I had, without dropping anything. That scared me. And I was vlogging at the same time. We are going back home right now. I like your music. It's good. Hold on, let me pause this. Look, there's someone's tiger right there. At the corner. Do you see it?
Is that a real
Fake.
tiger?
No, it's fake.
No, it's that, it's the one from Target, right? That $20 one? That's someone's tiger!
Unless they put it right there. Like, that's
Or
weird.
maybe the Wells Fargo put it there.
No, someone put it there. I don't know who, but
No, the
like,
Wells-
you know those things from Target? Those like giant ones that
Yeah,
you were
but
like,
those were light. Those would fly over. All these cars flying by.
that wouldn't fall over. Because they're hard. They're
They're
rock
light.
solid.
Yeah, but stuffing. That makes them
Yeah, but like,
gonna go
that's
touch
a
that.
stuffed animal.
light. I'm gonna go touch it.
It's a stuffed animal. That's a stuffed animal. Look at it.
Yeah, it is.
I told you. Someone probably left it there for like the fun of it.
The Wells Fargo put it there.
How do you know? We're home. Okay, we just got back from Fry's, as you guys saw. So I'm gonna finish up my laundry and then finish editing, and then we're gonna bake. Kevin's gonna cook. Look at Giselle. Giselle's happy. Why are you so excited?
Because we're gonna bake cookies.
Yeah? Is that how you feel? I just uploaded a new video, but this will be out tomorrow, which is yesterday for you guys. Okay, so now that Kevin's home, we are going to make dinner, and I'm gonna bake cookies, like I said. I am so glad that my ring light's coming tomorrow. Kevin's going to play chef.
Boyardee. I thought he said he bought lettuce.
He did. Austin, where'd you put the lettuce?
Where?
I don't think so.
Did we grab the lettuce?
Where's the lettuce? Where's the tomatoes? Onions?
Where is Anna?
Is it like in my car?
You idiot.
I don't know.
I brought the other stuff in. I thought you grabbed everything. So apparently we didn't grab everything from the store, and we didn't grab the cucumber or the lettuce or the onion that we had. Basically all the vegetables that we needed, and we have to go back to Fry's to grab everything. We just realized. Freaking Austin, man. How does he not remember? Okay, so I'll see you guys in a little bit when we come back from Fry's. Okay, good job. You have my fan. Look at this. Kevin's being a good chef.
No, I'm not.
Wow.
Because I got attached to the onions.
Are you crying, really? I'm not supposed to be attached.
I got emotionally attached.
Oh my gosh, I smell it. I'm about to cry too. Hi, what are you doing? Don't go in the cage. Thank you. Pot. Oh, thank you. Other pot. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you. So the first thing that I have is chocolate chip, and what were they? $1.99 or $1 or something? I don't know. But I remember when they were at Target. Oh. So yeah, I'm gonna have this, and then we're gonna make some sugar cookies too, but later. We're gonna have 2 eggs and a stick of butter, which is half a cup of butter. Makes 4.5 dozen 2-inch cookies. 4.5
This one's yours, okay?
This. Open. Ah! I didn't open this right. I got this. I don't know what's happening.
Did somebody say chocolate?
There's no other better lighting in my kitchen. Don't worry, my ring light comes soon. Now we mix. You guys can't see me mixing, but I'm not gonna try to touch my camera either. So they're over there playing video games. I'm gonna bake some sugar cookies. I'm gonna do some cutout cookies. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Yeah, I baked a bunch of cookies and I am so hot and tired. I just played Just Dance with Giselle because she wanted to, and I think I'm ready to go to bed. If you guys like this video, I'm pretty sure I like my other ones as well, so like and subscribe if you want to. Also, I've been doing Vlogmas, so if you haven't been keeping up on them, there is a playlist for Vlogmas, and today is day 8. So if you guys want to follow me on social media, it will be in the description box down below, and you guys can find me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, and come say hey. I usually love watching your reading your comments, watching your comments. I usually love to read your comments. I usually reply to all your comments as well. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, magical day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Jessmas Day 9. Oh. Potato! Potato the pug?
Get them potato.
No.
Out of every single name, her name is Potato?
No.
They should have put
This
potato
is
and
chip.
chip.
Oh, Potato Chip.
Mommy.
What?
No. The pug is
That one?
Yeah, the pug is chip.
Okay.
And the little mouse.
Alright, the pug looks like it's a potato.
I know.
The other one's small as a chip.
I know. That's what I was thinking. I was like, wait.
Backwards in the
I know. Chip and potato. Is that potato chip?
movie these days.
I know, right?